In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background scroll effect in Wix Studio. Let's get started right inside the Wix Studio editor. Make sure you already have your site open in the editor view. You should be seeing your page layout in the center, with your sections stacked vertically. Each section can have its own background, and that's what we're going to work with. First, click to select a section that already has an image or video as its background. If your section doesn't have one yet, you can quickly add a background image or video from the usual background settings before you continue. Once your section is selected, look over to the right-hand side of the screen for the inspector panel. This panel is where you control most of the design and behavior settings for whatever you've selected. Inside the inspector panel, look for the option labeled Scroll. This is the area dedicated to scroll-based effects. Click on Scroll to expand that section. You'll now see a button that says Add. Go ahead and click the Add button, and Wix Studio will show you a list of different scroll effects you can use. These might include options like parallax, reveal, fade, or other motion styles depending on what's available at the time. Take a moment to hover over each option and think about how you want the background to move as visitors scroll. When you're ready, click on the scroll effect you want to apply to your background. Once the effect is added, you'll see an option to adjust animation or something similar. Click that to fine-tune how the effect behaves. Here you can usually control settings like the direction of the movement, the scale, the speed, and the animation area. The exact controls you see might vary depending on which effect you chose, but the idea is the same. Use these sliders and drop-downs to get the motion feeling smooth and natural without distracting from your content. After adjusting the settings, it's important to preview how it feels. In the editor, simply scroll up and down the page to watch the background react to your movement. If it feels too fast, too subtle, or not quite right, go back into the animation settings and tweak the values until you're happy. Once it looks good as you scroll, you're done. You've successfully added a background scroll effect in Wix Studio.